guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maxine if this is your first time here, and in today's video I'm going to share some ways that I save on food. For those of you that are new here, I am on a journey to becoming debt free, and since being on that journey I have found ways to save on food because I noticed this is an area where I was spending the most. If you're interested in finding out ways to save on food, then continue watching. Going to be at random order. I do have my notes just in case I lose track, but one of the things that I do to save on food or drinks is I plan my meals ahead of time. So usually I used to just not plan at all, eat when I was hungry, or when I went to the supermarket I grabbed the circular and see what are some things that I like that are on sale and buy things basically without planning. So what I do now is I will plan out my meals for the week, and to help with that I shop either seasonally or I shop what's on sale. So if noodles are on sale, then I'm going to be eating a lot of noodles for the week, whether if it's lasagna, whether if it's baked ziti, mac and cheese. There's going to be a lot of pasta dishes, and if chicken is on sale I will have a lot of chicken dishes. So you get the point. So definitely shopping seasonal or shopping what's on sale helps. Another thing that I do to save on food is I buy things in bulk. So I find that shopping at Sam's Club or Costco's or I forgot the other one, but shopping at those stores that carry things in bulk definitely helps with saving long term, because if you think about the prices that you're spending on, whether if it's meats, vegetables, or dairy products, or even just water, you are saving more. Yes, these stores do require a membership, but if you live in a household where it's not just you, I'm sure everyone could pitch in on the membership and just share it for everyone. This definitely comes in handy, and it ties with the next thing that I also will do to save on food, and that is I no longer buy coffee either at my favorite coffee shops. I make my coffee at home, and buying in bulk has helped so much, and I'm going to show you guys. This is like literally my favorite coffee, and I don't drink this every day, but this box comes with 80. So imagine how much I would be spending on coffee if I bought one coffee a day, and times that per week, per month, and then per year, and how much I'm saving just by buying a box. And I decide when I want to drink the coffee. You know, like I said, I don't drink coffee every day, but I decide when I want to, and when I do the math, I save so much. So that's another thing that I do. Another thing that I do is I drink way more water than I used to. So because I'm drinking more water, I no longer have time or room to drink juice, soda, and so on. So what I do to make sure that I have my regular water intake is I have this bottle, and it's currently a half-gallon bottle, and this is what I fill up every day to drink my water. So that bottle currently holds about 4 water bottles a day, and the great thing about that is not only am I getting my water intake, but I'm also recycling the water bottles that I use. So I don't know, there's something about recycling regularly. I just find that I'm giving back to the environment, recycling the water bottles. So yes, I fill up my water daily, and I drink a half-gallon of water every day, and that's, you know, another way that I save on food and drinks. So the last thing I'm going to share that I do to save on food or drinks is anytime I go out to eat, or I am going out somewhere with a group of people, I will eat before I go out. And the reason why I do this is because I notice if wherever I'm going is the first meal I'm having, or if I go long periods without eating, I will eat based off of my current appetite, or choose based off my current appetite. And what I've done is I try to have snacks around. I try to prepare my meals, or I try not to go longer than 3 hours without eating. So this has helped me with saving, because when I do go out to eat, or I'm somewhere, you know, where food is involved, I notice that I will eat less. And plus, it's also safe, because if you go somewhere and the food isn't as good, it's not as appetizing, this is a great way to play it safe. I definitely do this when I go to weddings. I do this if I'm going to a banquet. I do this if I'm going to be out all day. I will try to have a snack in my bag, and just to fill up my appetite before I leave the door. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section some of the things that you do to save on food or drinks. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.